Hello everybody, I'm Randy Ford with Alpine Fishing Adventures in Frisco, Colorado. We're out here on Lake Dillon today, and I hope you'll join us for a fishing adventure catching naturally reproducing kokanee salmon in Colorado's unique Arctic char. There's a gajillion fish down there right now. Oh, fish on! Here he comes. Ease him to the net. Attaboy, ease him to the net. Beautiful fish. Look at that kokanee salmon, bud. Okay, ease him to the net. There you go.
That's a happy guy right there.
That's fabulous.
That's a big fish. Fish, start reeling, buddy.